Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today we'll do exercises of Chapter 7, Science, Standard 5. So today, after that, we will discuss exercises. After discussing the chapter, all the explanation is completed. So let us see about the exercises of Chapter 7. So first we will see the exercise A. Tick the correct answer. So in this you can see the first question is rocks are made of. So the option sand, mud and minerals. The option is minerals. That is correct option is C, minerals. So we will tick minerals option. Next question, let us see about the next question. What is an igneous rock? Options are a rock that is formed when magma cools and solidifies. Rock formed by change in the form of existing rocks. Rock formed from the deposition and compression of sediments of rocks. So option A is correct. So we will tick here option A. Option A. A rock that is formed when magma cools and solidifies. We know that igneous rock is formed from the magma that cools and solidifies. Next question, you can see igneous rocks, how it is formed. Picture also it is given here. You can see magma chamber. From magma chamber that comes out magma and it forms lava, and lava cools down to form igneous rock. Next question is, which of these is a sedimentary rock? First is obsidian, second quartzite, and C is conglomerate. So we know that conglomerate is the rock that is sedimentary rock. So we will take conglomerate. Next, let us see about the next question. Question number 4. Where are metamorphic rocks formed? On the surface of the earth, second deep inside the earth, and next is on the ocean floor. So metamorphic rocks are formed deep inside the earth. So you can see here option B is correct. So let us tick about option B. Next question, let us see about 5 number. This mineral is formed from trees and other plants which died millions of years ago. So you can see here options are petroleum, slate, coal. So we know that coal is formed from the trees millions of years. You can see the picture also. In this picture also you can see how coal is formed from the vegetation, that is trees and all green vegetation. Next question. Question is, give 2 examples of each of the following. So first number is igneous rocks. So you can see the picture also. Igneous rock example is granite. So first number is granite and second is pumice. So we will give these examples, granite and pumice. Next, let us see about the next question. Second question is metals. 2 metals example you have to give. So in this we have given gold and copper. So first picture is of gold and second is of copper. So these are the examples of very common metals that we see. Third number question is metamorphic rocks. So what are metamorphic rocks example? Slate and marble. First number is slate and second is marble. Different colors of marble you can see in this picture. These are examples of metamorphic rocks. Fourth number question, let us see. Fourth number is fuels obtained from petroleum. So fuels obtained from petroleum is petrol and diesel. You can see in the picture also it is given. First number is petrol and second is diesel. These are the fuels we obtain from petroleum. Next question is match the following. So you can see in this match the following, column A we have to match with column B. So first question is iron, silver and copper. So iron, silver and copper are common metals. Coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum both are non-metallic minerals. Third number is basalt. Basalt is a type of igneous rock. Fourth number is marble. Marble is a type of metamorphic rock. Fifth number is ruby, diamond and sapphire. They are different types of gemstones. These are very costly stones. Now next question we will see. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. So first number is minerals in molten forms are called magma. So it is true, we have seen previous also that minerals which are formed in the molten state under the earth, these are called magma. Second is the most common igneous rock on the earth's surface is marble. It is wrong. Marble is not an igneous rock. Third number is basalt is an igneous rock. Yes, it is true. Basalt is an igneous rock. You can see here also it is written true. Now next we will see next question. Fourth number. Slate and marble are metamorphic rock. Yes, it is true. We have seen earlier also that slate and marble are metamorphic rock. Breaking up rocks is called weathering. Yes, breaking up rock is called weathering. Sixth number, sandstone is not a sedimentary rock. It is called sandstone is a type of sedimentary rock only. So let's see about the next. Some short answers also we will discuss in this video. So let us see about the first short question answer. What is the most common igneous rock on the earth's surface? Answer is granite is the most common igneous rock on the earth's surface. You have seen that mostly we found granite, the igneous rock on the earth's surface. It is very common and it is used for building materials. Some are using for making the slabs in the kitchen also, and some are using for floor also. So it is the most common igneous rock on the earth's surface. Now next you can see the picture of granite. Different colors of granites we find. You can see grey color, pink color, black color also, and mixed color also. Here you can see brown and other color is mixed in this granite rock. Let us see about the next question. How are sedimentary rocks formed? So sedimentary rocks are formed from the sediments. You know that sediments which are deposited out of air, ice, wind, gravity or water flows carrying the particles in suspension. That means when the weathering takes place on the rocks, or rocks are broken into very small particles, and these particles due to the heat and cold, continuously heat and cold effect on the rock, first it cracks, and after that these cracks are filled with the water, and this makes the rock soft, and after some time it breaks into smaller stones, and after that it breaks into smaller pieces of particles. These particles are, when the water flows, this or by the wind also, it can be taken away from these rocks and it is deposited under the surfaces of the water bodies. These sediments often formed when weathering and erosion break down the rock into loose material in a source area. In some area where it is deposited under the ocean floor also it can be deposited, or any other places also it can be deposited. So these sediments, after continuous heat, you can see the picture also, formation of sedimentary rock. Sediment, first sediment is deposited, compaction, that means the sediments are combined together, they become compact, and after that cementation, that means fine particles combine them due to the heat and pressure. These all particles cemented together, and these cemented particles after under high pressure and temperature, again it is becoming a very hard rock and solid. It forms, solidifies, it forms sedimentary rock. So since it is formed by the layers of sediments, layer by layer sediments are deposited. So this, when we see these rocks, we find layers in these rocks. So these are called sedimentary rock. This is the way how it is formed. So thank you students. This is all about these exercises, and we have discussed two questions, short questions also. We will discuss this question in the next class. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.